brownies are done. Here it is. Shouldn't really be cleaning a knife. Yay! And now, what we gotta do is cut them. You see, I'm so glad that I buttered the pan, because like, this wouldn't be easy to cut open. Whoa. It doesn't sound soft, but I promise you it's soft. Okay, now I cut. Oh my god, you can't even see anything. I'm burning my hand. Okay, so really, I'm just cutting horizontally. This is like the most efficient way to cut brownies, by the way. Yep, this is definitely how you cut brownies.
I don't think so.
I feel like I'm gonna hard one. Okay. 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 Moment of truth. Whoa. I'm just gonna scoop them up. Actually, no, it's okay. My hands are clean. I'm kind of scared. Why am I so scared? Boom. That's one tiny brownie. Oh my god. All of its guts. That's okay, right? Do you want a brownie? Where's the camera? The camera's right there. Do you want a brownie? I'll get it. They're kind of hot, guys. Oh, stop, I have a knife. You're okay. Ow. Ow. Okay. Now we're gonna soak with some water. We did. I did. Brownies. Milk. Okay, now. Ooh. Now Lily is going to taste test. Why do you have that many?
What's this?
You have like how many brownies? That's for the house.
And also for grandma.
Grandma has diabetes. You can't do that. Okay, you can have that much. Okay, she's gonna taste test as I bust it down.
Okay, I'm gonna try one with no milk.
You have to do it.
But I'm not. Okay. Put one milk right here. I'm gonna try one with no milk. Scared.
They hot?
You're warm.
They're warm. So what makes you... Why are you laughing like that? Do brownies taste like shit, actually?
It was just a little bit hard.
Hard. They're not hard.
Probably was an empty.
Yeah, we probably wasn't empty. Oh, what? Go brownie in.
It's good.
That's good.
7 out of 10.
A 7.
A 7. That's highest I'm go. Lowest I'll go is like a 4.
Okay, bye guys.
Wow.